Why does your scanner show the P2419 engine code? What does it mean? P2419 is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP system switching valve control circuit low. This engine code indicates that the PCM or ECM has detected an issue with the leak detection pump LDP not activating properly, which is part of the EVAP system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Leak detection pump issues, purge valve or solenoid problems, wiring and connections. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota and Scion models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.